The judge resets multiple felony cases and orders each defendant to show proof of job searches or lawyer consultations within 30 days. Anyone who fails to comply risks a higher bond and going back to jail.
Carisha Mays. Good morning. Are you Carisha Mays? And Ms. Mays, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1464. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from September 26th of 2025. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? I'm sorry, answer out loud. So, are you working? Why not? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to get a job. So you need to get a job and bring me proof that you have a job, or you need to bring me proof that you have applied to at least 5 jobs a week when you come back, okay? In the meantime, also, I expect you to try to be at least talking to attorneys so that when you get a job, you will be able to at least try to hire one. So you also need to talk to at least 3 lawyers between now and then, see what they cost, talk to more if you need to. They all charge different amounts, have different plans to pay and all of that. Bring me at least the 3 names, if not more, and the information about your job, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk.
This judge is making it crystal clear. Documentation equals survival. If she brings proof, she gets a shot at a court-appointed lawyer. If she doesn't, her bond can be raised on the spot. Quick question, would you be able to gather all that paperwork in 30 days interview too? Second-degree felony.
Aaron Riley. Good morning. Are you Aaron Riley? And Ms. Riley, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1194. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of assault on hospital personnel from July 23rd of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So are you working? Why not?
I'm just mentally disabled.
I'm sorry?
I'm mentally disabled.
Do you receive disability?
Yes, well, I'm about to start. I have an appointment tomorrow.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to bring documentation of whether you've qualified or not. If you have, obviously you would qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. If you're not going to qualify and they deny you, then you need to be...
Second-degree felony for failing to register. This is no small charge. Courts treat registration violations seriously because they're tied to community safety. Notice how the judge immediately lays out the expectations. Talk to lawyers, show effort, or risk going straight back to jail. No wiggle room.
Working on getting a job. Bring me information about where you've been trying to get a job, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. And also, if you don't bring that information that I've asked for, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order.
What
And
kind of proof do you need, like for the SSI?
just whatever they give you.
Okay.
Yeah, they should give you something that says if you qualify, they should give you something that you've qualified and how much you receive a month. Okay?
Yes.
Devontre Johnson. Good morning. Are you Devontre Johnson? And Mr. Johnson, in cause number 25, DCCR 0438, this is your initial appearance. You're charged with a second-degree felony offense of failure to comply with sex offender registration requirements from March 3rd of 2025. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? All right, so I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to get someone hired. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then you run the risk of me raising your bond when you come back for not following that court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, if you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that reset notice. Goodness, there's lots of, those are all TRNs that we don't have.
That's what I need to check to see if they have them.
Autumn Payne. Good morning, are you Autumn Payne? Spit that gum out over there in that trash can. All right, Ms. Payne, this is your initial appearance. In cause number 25, DCCR 1142, you're charged with a state jail felony offense of criminal mischief from July 19th of 2025. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? I'm sorry?
I didn't know I had to.
Sure. And so what I'll do, how old are you? Okay. So what I'm going to do, Ms. Payne, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to hire somebody. If you get a lawyer hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, if you step in front of the clerk right here, she'll give you your reset notice.
Sign like that.
Presley Viltz. Good morning, you're Presley Viltz. Mr. Viltz, did you get someone hired?
No, I'm still working on
Who'd you talk to?
it. Johnson, Crenshaw, Lawful, and Johnson, Gregory Johnson,
Who?
Gregory
Oh, Brevin Johnson. And Crenshaw, and who else?
Johnson.
Who's, you already,
I still,
if you don't know, then how am I supposed to
I
know?
still talk to Livingston, that's why I was planning on going with
Who?
Livingston.
Livingston?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he here locally or somewhere else?
That's involved. That's why I told you last time.
Langston Adams?
Yeah, Langston, I'm sorry.
Okay, you've been coming for a long time. Why haven't you gotten someone hired yet? Are you working?
Yes.
Where are you working? Full-time? All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork. Thank you for talking to those attorneys. You need to fill this paperwork out this morning accurately and completely. Don't leave it blank. If it doesn't apply, write something in, and then I'll take a look at it. All right, step in front of the clerk down there and she'll give you that paperwork.